Finding the right admin assistant online can be a game changer for your business. This guide will walk you through every step of the process, from understanding your needs to making the final decision. By following these steps, you can ensure that you hire the best person for the job, even if they are working remotely. Key takeaways. Number 1. Know exactly what you need in an admin assistant before you start your search. Number 2. Use various online platforms like job boards, freelance websites, and social media to find candidates. Number 3. Write a clear and detailed job posting to attract the right applicants. Number 4. Evaluate candidates by reviewing their resumes, conducting interviews, and checking their skills. Number 5. Once you've chosen a candidate, make sure to onboard them properly and use the right tools to manage their work. So, understanding your needs. 1. Defining the role of an admin assistant. Before we start looking for an admin assistant, we need to make a list of expectations. This means figuring out what tasks we want them to handle. Do we need help with scheduling, emails, or maybe data entry? Knowing this will help us find the right person. 2. Identifying key skills and qualifications. Next, we should think about the skills and qualifications that are important for the job. Do we need someone who is good at using Microsoft Office? Or maybe someone who has experience in customer service? Identifying these key skills will make our search easier. Number 3. Determining work hours and availability. Finally, we need to decide on the work hours and availability. Do we need someone full-time or part-time? Should they be available during specific hours? Knowing this will help us create a clear and compelling job posting. Understanding our needs is the first step in finding the right admin assistant. It sets the foundation for everything else we do in the hiring process. So, where to search for admin assistants online? Finding the right admin assistant online can be a game changer for your business. Let's explore some of the best places to look. Popular job boards and websites. Job boards are a great starting point. Websites like Indeed, Glassdoor, and LinkedIn have a wide range of candidates. These platforms allow you to filter applicants based on skills, experience, and location. This makes it easier to find someone who fits your needs. Number 2. Freelance platforms. Freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are perfect for finding admin assistants for short-term or project-based work. You can review profiles, read reviews, and even see past work. This helps you make an informed decision. Number 3. Social media networks. Social media is another useful tool. Platforms like Facebook and Twitter have groups and communities where you can post job listings. LinkedIn is also great for networking and finding professionals. Engaging with these communities can help you find the right person faster. Remember, the key to finding the best admin assistant is to use multiple platforms. This increases your chances of finding someone who meets all your requirements. So, crafting an effective job posting. Number 1. Writing a clear job description. When writing a job description, it's important to be clear and concise. A well-written job description helps attract the right candidates. Start with a clear job title and a brief overview of the role. Use bullet points to list the main responsibilities and qualifications. Avoid using unconventional titles that might make it hard for candidates to find your job posting. Number 2. Highlighting required skills and experience. Clearly state the skills and experience needed for the role. This helps filter out unqualified candidates. List both technical skills and soft skills. For example, you might need someone who is proficient in Microsoft Office and has strong communication skills. Be specific about the level of experience required, such as 3+ years of experience in a similar role. 3. Setting expectations and responsibilities. Set clear expectations for the role. This includes outlining the main responsibilities and any specific tasks the admin assistant will handle. Be upfront about work hours, availability, and any other important details. This helps candidates understand what is expected of them and ensures they are a good fit for the role. Crafting an effective job posting is crucial for attracting the right candidates. By being clear and specific, you can ensure that you find the best person for the job. So, evaluating potential candidates. For 1, reviewing resumes and portfolios. When we start evaluating potential candidates, the first step is to review their resumes and portfolios. We should look for relevant experience and skills that match our needs. Pay close attention to the details they provide, as this can give us insight into their professionalism and attention to detail. 2. Conducting initial interviews. Next, we move on to conducting initial interviews. This is our chance to ask questions that help us understand if the candidate is a good fit for our team. We should ask about their past experiences, how they handle challenges, and what they expect from the role. It's important to determine if they are respectful and can solve problems effectively. 3. Assessing technical and soft skills. Finally, we need to assess both technical and soft skills. Technical skills might include proficiency with specific software or tools, while soft skills could be things like communication and teamwork. We can use practical tests or scenarios to see how they perform in real situations. Remember, finding the right admin assistant is not just about skills, but also about finding someone who fits well with our team and work culture. So, making the final decision. 1. Checking references and backgrounds. Before we make a final decision, it's important to check the candidate's references and backgrounds. This step helps us confirm their past work experience and reliability. We should contact previous employers or clients to ask about their performance and work ethic. This can give us valuable insights into their suitability for the role. 2. Negotiating terms and conditions. Once we've chosen a candidate, we need to discuss the terms and conditions of their employment. This includes their salary, work hours, and any other benefits. It's important to be clear and transparent during this process to avoid any misunderstandings later on. We should also be open to negotiating to find a mutually beneficial agreement. 3. Onboarding your new admin assistant. After finalizing the terms, we can start the onboarding process. This involves introducing the new admin assistant to our team and providing them with the necessary tools and resources. We should also set clear expectations and provide training if needed. A smooth onboarding process can help the new hire feel welcomed and prepared for their new role. Taking these steps ensures we hire the best candidate and set them up for success in our organization. So, tools and resources for managing remote admin assistants. Managing remote admin assistants can be a breeze with the right tools and resources. Here are some essential categories to consider. 1. Communication tools. Effective communication is key when working with remote admin assistants. We need tools that allow for seamless sharing and collaborating. Popular options include Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom. These platforms help us stay connected through instant messaging, video calls, and file sharing. 2. Project management software. Keeping track of tasks and deadlines is crucial. Tools like Trello, Asana, and Monday.com are great for project management. They allow us to assign tasks, set deadlines, and monitor progress. This ensures everyone is on the same page and projects are completed on time. 3. Time tracking and productivity apps. To ensure our remote admin assistants are working efficiently, we can use time tracking and productivity apps. These tools help us monitor work hours and productivity levels. Popular choices include Toggle, Clockify, and Rescue Time. They provide insights into how time is spent and help identify areas for improvement. With the right tools, managing remote admin assistants becomes much easier and more efficient. It's all about finding the right mix of communication, project management, and time tracking tools to keep everything running smoothly. Managing remote admin assistants can be a breeze with the right tools and resources. From project management software to communication platforms, there are many options to help you stay organized and efficient. Want to learn more about how to make the most of your remote team? Visit our website for tips and tricks. So, in conclusion, finding an admin assistant online can seem like a big task, but with the right steps, it becomes much easier. Start by knowing exactly what you need help with and then look for candidates on trusted websites. Always check their reviews and ask for references. Don't rush the process. Take your time to find the right fit. Remember, a good admin assistant can make your life a lot easier, so it's worth putting in the effort to find the best one. Happy searching. Frequently asked questions. 1. What does an admin assistant do? An admin assistant helps with tasks like answering emails, scheduling meetings, and organizing files. They make sure everything runs smoothly in an office. 2. What skills should I look for in an admin assistant? Look for skills like good communication, being organized, and knowing how to use office software. It's also good if they can solve problems quickly. 3. Where can I find admin assistants online? You can find admin assistants on job boards, freelance websites, and social media. Some popular places are LinkedIn, Upwork, and Indeed. 4. How do I write a good job posting for an admin assistant? Write a clear job description that lists the tasks and skills needed. Make sure to include the work hours and any other important details. Number 5. What should I ask in an interview with an admin assistant? Ask about their past experience, how they handle stress, and what office tools they know how to use. You can also give them a small task to see how they do. 6. How do I manage a remote admin assistant? Use tools like video calls, project management software, and time tracking apps. Make sure to communicate often and set clear goals. In the description below, you will find a link to our favorite job board, Online Jobs. Hope this has been helpful. See you in the next video.